You are 34 years old. Last night, Ryan sat on your couch and asked to borrow $2,000. 10 years ago, the two of you started the same job, earned the same salary, and worked in the same office. Ryan worked harder than you, and everyone believed he was destined for success. You believed it too. Yet today, Ryan is asking for help while you aren't. The difference was never the paycheck. The difference was one quiet decision you made at 24. At 24, your life looked completely normal. Every 2 weeks a paycheck landed in your account, and every 2 weeks it disappeared. Rent, car payments, subscriptions, lunches, and small upgrades consumed everything. You weren't broke, but you were one unexpected expense away from a financial crisis. Then came a raise, an extra $4,000 a year. For a few days, it felt like progress. Soon, however, the extra money vanished into a slightly better lifestyle. A nicer phone, more spending, and a few comforts later, you found yourself needing another raise. You were running faster but staying in the same place. While you were stuck in that cycle, Ryan bought a BMW. People noticed. People admired him. He looked successful. You looked average. Then one night, you did something different. You calculated what the next 40 years of your life would look like if nothing changed. Work. Spend. Repeat. Again and again. The realization didn't scare you. It exhausted you. The next day, an older coworker said something that changed everything. He told you, there's a difference between looking successful and actually becoming successful. That night, you made a decision. From that moment forward, every payday would begin by paying your future self first. Before rent, before bills, before anything else, money would go into savings and investments. Not what was left over, the first money. You didn't tell anyone. There were no announcements, no social media posts, and no celebrations. There was only consistency. Month after month. Year after year.